You the real me, told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around in front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't see this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in, but I
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig review, you guys. I'm going to be doing a wig review on the wig that I have on my head today. It is the model lace frontal wig, and the style that I am wearing is flow, and the color that I am wearing is OT30, you guys. So with that being said, I really do love this wig, you guys. So this is a 13x4 closure. So this is how much frontal space you get, and it's ear to ear. So it comes with combs on each side and one in the back, and it comes with adjustable straps, you guys. So this is giving me like really nice waves, and I really do love it because it's really silky and yucky at the same time. It says that it is safe to use your flat iron up to 400 degrees on this unit, you guys, if you prefer to flat iron and things like that, or use your curler wand or whatever. So I haven't gotten any shedding. I wore this wig for about a week, and I did have it on prior to me filming this video before. So I will insert those clips because I did have baby hairs out, but I decided that I did not want the look with the baby hair, so I just brushed it back. So I didn't really pluck this wig too much, but I did go in with concealer and powder and things like that with this wig just to make it look a little bit more realistic. But I do like this unit. It comes to right here on me. So yeah, this wig was really affordable. I did get this from my local beauty supply store. It was $63.99, you guys. So yeah, if you're like me and sometimes you just don't want to spend too much money and you're just getting into wigs and things like that, and you just want to see if it's for you, I think you should go to your local beauty supply store and try out their wigs, you guys, because it won't hurt, you know. If you're into it, you are, and if you're not, you're like, hey, I'll just put it back. Ain't no stress off me. So if you guys like this wig review, you guys, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends, because remember, sharing is caring, y'all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, Bella. Yeah, hi, Bella. Mommy. Yeah, hi, Bella.